What up, YouTube? It's your boy Las Vegas Nights. I got the curtain right here because it's stupid hot out here in Cali today. But summertime in the LBC. You heard? This view just make you want to sing on some West Coast shit. Summertime in the LBC. You feel me? I love the West Coast. The best coast. But yeah. Alright, YouTube, so I was at Walmart yesterday and I saw this hands-free smartphone holder for only $5. So I was like, I gotta buy it for YouTube. You feel me? So I'm getting tired of not having nowhere to stand my phone. I mean, even this is not really the best solution, but I can make it work. So let me pull it out and get my phone set up and I'll be right back. What up, YouTube? It's your boy Las Vegas Nights. Trying to get the waves going. But I'm about to get into sorry about that, y'all. I gotta get this set up. I got a new little phone holder and I gotta get it just right real quick. Alright, hopefully that should work for now until I get something else. What up, YouTube? It's your boy Las Vegas Nights. I'm getting into my year 1 of truck driving. Today is let's see. Oh, dropping all kind of shit. Alright. Today is the 27th. Today is July 27th. I started truck driving. Well, today is July 27th. My 1-year anniversary of truck driving was July 11th, 2019, because July 11th, 2018 is when I signed my name on the dotted line for my first company. So I'm officially 1 year and 2 weeks into this whole truck driving thing. And what's my thoughts about it? I mean, truck driving, you know, it's cool. It gets the bills paid and all that shit. What else? I mean, it's not, I'll say the only thing that's fun about it, it's not really that much fun about it, but it's mainly to make money, bro. Let me break it down real quick. Oh yeah, and to see new things too, cause I've been in truck driving 1 year, and in this 1 year, I done made a lot of money. Actually, I done saved more money than I ever have in my life. I mean, I didn't save a lot, but it's more than I ever saved, so. And you get to see new places, new people. I done seen more white folks than I ever have in my life. Cause I grew up in New York, California, Vegas, and Georgia. And in those 4 states, it's really, I mean, it's white folks in all those states, but it's not like, I mean, the part that I lived in, it was hardly any white people. In the metro part of Atlanta, hardly no white people. So I done seen a lot of different types of people. Let me see. I done seen more places than I ever have, like beautiful places. I'm talking about like fucking Northern California, Shasta National Forest, like all that shit is beautiful. Right before you get into Oregon, Northern Cali, Oregon, fucking Washington State, North Dakota, it's fucking breathtaking. Colorado. Mainly, you know, like I say, mainly I do this truck driving thing for the money. I don't do it for fun or anything else. Now that I'm at my 1 year mark, I could officially, I officially qualify. If I wanted to go local, I could do local work. If I wanted to become owner operator, I could do that. Because most local jobs require at least 1 year experience, and most owner op companies require at least 1 year experience. So I got that. You feel me? Shout out to my brand new tank top that I just busted out the pack. You feel me? I got more too. Well, I got some more new news. Roses really smell like boo boo boo. Oh, dropping stuff. Y'all. Really? Gotta keep the new products. Got 5 new like undershirts, you feel me? I got 5 tagless ATs. I got one on right now, and I wore another one a couple days ago. Because what I do is once a year, with all my draws and my undershirts and all that shit, tank tops, all that shit, I throw it all away and buy some new shit. So it's around that time. I usually do it around summertime, because summertime you get hot and sweaty and shit. So, you know what I'm saying, wear the last little bit of a musty tank top or something in the summer, throw that shit away, get something else. Some boxer briefs. I mean, I buy the, you know, the Hanes and the Fruit of the Loom. You feel me? Little undershirts and underwear and shit. But if I do step my game up in this truck driving thing and, you know, really start making some like owner operator money, or whatever I do, like, I'm gonna motherfucking throw all that shit away and rock nothing but Polo Ralph Lauren everything. You feel me? I'm talking about Polo Ralph Lauren drawers, socks, motherfucking everything. You feel me? Got a little 6-pack when I bought my my tablet. Still ain't wore none yet. About to throw it in my storage unit and motherfucking just hold on to them, bust them out on a rainy day. The 6-pack of the all black with the gray polo, man. You feel me? Got those. Got all kind of new. But yeah, like I say, man. Oh yeah, shout out to my my barber skills. You feel me? I know y'all can see a little bit some. Hold on, let me see. But yeah, man, 1 year truck driving. I want to shout out all my subscribers on YouTube. I don't have a Patreon. I need to get one, but I do have a GoFundMe, and it'll be in the link in this description of the video. I usually don't promote my GoFundMes. I put them in every description of my videos, and I usually don't promote it because I don't ask people for no money. I mean, you know, it's donation, whatever, you feel me? You know, just to help me keep it going and keep it moving. And And that's one of the reasons, you know, I've been slacking on videos. I could make way more videos. I could make like a video a day or a video a week or whatever. It's just that, you know, I mean, why? Like, I'm not getting paid to do this. I'm not, you know what I mean? I mean, no offense. I love making videos and I love showing my life and vlogging and shit, but like, the reason why it takes me so long to make 1 month video for my truck driving vlog is because the motivation is not there. Like, money motivates me, you feel me? And if I'm not being motivated, I mean, my channel, I done made a couple out of my whole channel's history. I think I've been on YouTube since 2013, 14, 15, 18, 19, 6 years. And in 6 years, from the advertisements and shit, and monetization and all that, I done made, I ain't gonna lie to you, I done made $200 out of 6 years, you feel me? Motherfuckers making, niggas making $2,000 per video just off of ad revenue. So enough of that. Damn, it was getting kind of hot, but yeah, man. 2019, I'm gonna start doing some new things, you feel me? I mean, what other YouTuber you know that done vlogged his whole truck driving career? I mean, I done took y'all with me from the time I went to truck driving school, when I stopped smoking weed for the 50th time and went to truck driving school, and I done took y'all with me from each month truck driving vlog. Even that 1 month, the very first month when I was ready to fight my trainer, my mentor, because 2 grown men in a small ass little truck like this, we gonna clash and butt heads, especially if we both alpha males, which we were. And that's about it, y'all. Like I say, thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you for getting my channel to 4K, 4,000 subs. I appreciate that. Once I get to 5,000, I might do a giveaway or something, you feel me? But until then, we're gonna keep it moving, man. Your boy Las Vegas Nice, we out. Peace. Take y'all outside. Trying to get their waves cracking. I don't know. Can y'all see it? Trying to get the waves cracking. But with no success. Anyway, I'll holla at y'all. Your boy Las Vegas Nights. 1 year truck driving. We out. What up, YouTube? Just wanted to get this beautiful view. That's in Oregon. I'm on the I-84 East right now. Yeah. I don't know what that is. It's some kind of dam or something. Beautiful. Beautiful. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Magnificent in the circle of life. Try to hit the high note. Wow.
Why must I be like that? Why must I chase the cat? Nothing but the dog food in me. This load I'm hauling 38,000 pounds worth of dog food. Mainly pedigree. I think this the name brand type dog food is the pedigree. But yeah, this time 38,000 pounds worth of dog food. I'm feeding a whole lot of starving dogs in Africa.
Those was cows, but anyway, I'm out here in Oregon, and it's so beautiful. The sun setting just right, if I do say so myself. I'm at this truck stop called Space Age Travel in Hermiston, Oregon. And inside they had these big ass donuts. I wish I would have recorded the whole display, but I left my phone in the car. But look at that. Like, hold on. Let me just give y'all a point of reference real quick. That's how big it is, and this is how big my hand is. It's kind of ashy because I just washed it, but like, look at that. You can't even palm that. I know that's gonna be fire. Just wanted to share that. It was a $2 donut, by the way. Show how thick it is. But that was the bottom. This is the top right here. Man, these clouds make it feel like a game of Super Mario Brothers when you're on that bonus level and it be nothing but clouds and shit. Shit crazy. Out here in Oregon. I had read some poetry and listened to some poetry earlier. Usually I don't listen to poetry, but I had listened to some. The poet's name was Curtis, I think A. Jackson, but I know definitely it was Jackson. And in his poetry he said, to do it all, I do whatever it takes. I love you like a fat kid love cake. You know my style. I do anything to make you smile. And that was in one of his poetry letters. I holla. Peace. Oh yeah. We gonna eat us some Cinnabon. You heard? What y'all know about it? And I caught her taking this right out the oven. I was like, hold on now. Hold on now. You not finna put icing on that and just put it up. You finna put that in a box and hand it over to me. You heard? Look at that Cinnabon. Oh, I wanna eat it right now. That's what we gonna do. With a natural root beer soda. While we look at some trucks. Peace. Hold on. I want to get the tease game right. 'Cause you know I like to tease y'all. You know I like to tease y'all. And it's still warm. Ow. One more tease real quick. Just one more tease. Is that the center? Oh Lord. Lord of mercy. This is more Oregon. The back roads and the farms. I'm in Oregon. What up, YouTube? So y'all remember that case of with that trailer of dog food? These are the ones that they rejected because they said it was the wrong case count or something. So I got 147 packs of dry dog food in my trailer. 2 1/4 pallets. Now I gotta call my DM and see what the fuck I'm supposed to do with this. Cause I know they not gonna want me to throw it away, but it was refused, so let's see what happens. See, look. I'm trying to keep it right here because it got my company name above that top pallet, so nice and easy, fellas, nice and easy. But you get the gist though. Alright, peace. Alright, y'all, so I'm finna donate to this animal shelter. I'm at a private family-owned farm. I don't know if I could film here, so I'm trying to be sneaky with it. It's like all kind of horses and shit.
Oh no, I spent it. Mortgage time, it's mortgage time. You know what? We got a storage tank. All we gotta do is get it in there.
Yeah. Yeah, that's all we need.
Yeah, I forgot about that.
Alright. Cool.
So is this your
And-
last delivery or what?
Actually, I had a delivery, but they said it was the wrong case count, so they refused to load. And
That's okay, we'll take it.
yeah, my company said either throw it away or donate it, so I didn't want to throw dog
We
food.
greatly appreciate it. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. And is there any way you guys can like write out some kind of receipt so I can prove to my
Yeah,
company?
I have one of those sponsorship donation letters and a thing that can act like they
That'll work,
donated
I
to my
think.
raffle letter. I'll go
yeah,
get it.
let me
Is
call
okay?
Della.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll get you something.
I have a letter
Alright.
that might not be exact for that.
Alright, no problem.
Because it's a donation, so.
Yeah.
Sabrina.
Bye-bye, dog food. Well, ride along with me for the one time, for the one time. You know what I'm saying? On the I-5 Cali going CL. Going Sizal. It looked like the Sahara Desert out there. Mm-hmm. Yes, it is. Swift. So much stuff about Swift, boy. All over YouTube. Swift did this, Swift did that. I feel sorry for Swift. Well, not really. That's a mega carrier, so they could care less. But anyway, look at the clouds though. Look at the cloud action. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, now I gotta focus because Mr. Slowpoke right here don't wanna play fair. So that's what I'm gonna have to do. I know you're doing the Cali speed limit 55, but I got somewhere to go. Yeah. By the way, in case y'all didn't know, the California speed limit for trucks is 55, and let's see what I'm doing. I'm out. Peace. What up, y'all? So I've been looking at this rainbow in front of us. If you could barely see it, well, I could barely see it, I mean, it's right there. I've been staring at it for the past, what, like 20 minutes now? Because I'm just on a straight piece of land, the I-5 South in California is just like a straight shot. So this rainbow been in front of me for like 20 minutes, but it reminded me of on some biblical type stuff, like God's covenant towards the people, towards his people, to promise that he'll never destroy or flood the earth again. So in case y'all wondering what rainbows symbolize, they don't really symbolize gay pride. You know what I'm saying? I don't even know why. It's like a contradiction of what it really means, what the rainbow means. It doesn't stand for gay pride and homosexuality and all that. The rainbow originates, it's a symbol that is God's covenant, like is a symbol towards God's promise that he'll never flood the earth again in the times of Noah. So that was just a fun fact, you know what I'm saying? I'm looking at this rainbow and shit. Try to zoom in on it. Nah, you can't really zoom in on it. It kind of disappears when you zoom in. So yeah, in case y'all ever see a rainbow, it's supposedly a sign from God to promise that he'll never mess up the earth again. So yeah, peace. Tablet. And you said this is the 2019 one?
Yeah, it's 2019.
Alright, bet. Alright, appreciate it.
With the bags, I would give you a bag here, but we don't. Well, actually, we do have them.
Alright. Got the tablet. Yeah. On the 4th of July. We got the tablet. Inside the Best Spot. Even though I got the Galaxy Note 8, I'm tired of watching movies on it. It's like one of the biggest phones. Probably the biggest phone. I was getting tired of watching my movies on it, truck driving. I would have got a laptop, but I really don't do nothing besides watch YouTube and movies and shit. I mean, I do need a laptop, but for now, that's all I need. Yeah. I want to watch that new Chucky. I'm about to use my hotspot on my phone for this and be good, homie. I spent $250 on the good processor. I could upgrade the memory on it and all that. But Geek Squad. It's the 4th of July. If you can't already tell, if you can hear the firecrackers, I'm finna and where I parked the truck at? Oh, way over here. I'm finna go to El Pollo Loco and eat. So I holla. Up here at Ross. Get some more polo socks. 6 pair for only $12. Alright, y'all, I think we good. We hit Ross. We hit Best Buy. I think we alright for a couple of days. Yeah. I holla. In Compton. Peace. The revealing of the tablets. Let's pull her out. Oh, so that's the tablet right there. So swag. Open it from this way. Damn, Samsung did a mother on that. So this is it. Let's turn it on. Alright, so this is actually pretty fast. Look at this. Look how everything just goes hecka quick. So this is my YouTube. Oh, this shit swag. Oh yeah, and it also has four speakers on each side. No, 4 speakers. So 1, 2, and then. Well, that's what he told me. He said it had 4 speakers. I guess he lied to me. I don't know. Let's turn that up. Man, this shit fire, huh? Yo. What up, YouTube? Sitting here at Pilot. It's like midnight. Just got some Chinese food to eat. from a Chinese spot. Some chicken, chicken fried rice, hot sauce, fortune cookies. Got my bleezers and my cheesers. Throw them in there. Let's see what it do though. Man, that bitch greasy as fuck, bitch. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's get a taste test going on. Okay. Oh yeah, that shit bomb, back. Let's see what the I need something to drink. Let me flip this around. But nothing compares to these blue and yellow, purple hills. Go ahead and pass me then, bro. You in that much of a hurry. On a 1-lane highway. Do what you gotta do, though. You know what I'm saying? Out here in Idaho. Peace. Oh, that view. That view, though. That water looks so blue. I just want to hop in that and go swimming like a Michael Phelps or something. I'm still out here in Oregon. Still on the I-84. Feel me? Showing y'all the beauty. Woo. Look at these grass mounds. Man, right now I'm in Washington. I'll be here and there. You never know where Las Vegas nights finna be at. You know what I'm saying? Way out here in Washington State. Man. My nigga. What up, YouTube? I'm at this truck stop at a TA. It's like 3 in the morning. Well, 4 in the morning right now. And look who is outside my door, just chilling. It's a motherfucking dog, bro. What kind of shit is this? Whose dog is this, B? Man, and I just had that dog food too. I just dropped off all that dog food. I mean, the only thing I can really give him is these Chips Ahoy. I don't know. So we'll see if he wanna. So let's see. Who's a good doggy? He don't want that. He said he want to own it. Oh, damn. Come on, Mr. Doggy. Don't go under the truck now. Now I gotta check under the truck and shit. And I do not trust dogs at night that I don't know. So, fuck it. I don't know. Guess he wasn't hungry. Oh, there he is. What up, YouTube? Out here in Washington State. Great quantities of the Quamash. So I am there, and I guess this is the Lois and Clark trail that I'm on. Here's a monument to it, the Lois and Clark Trail. Early in May 1806, Captain Mayweather Lewis and William Clark, a 30-man party and 23 pack horses, passed eastward through the roadless area after wintering near the ocean at the western terminus, or whatever. Sound like some white people shit. Lewis and Clark. The Lois and Clark Forgotten Trail in Washington. And that's where I'm at right now. Washington State. Come with me, YouTube, on the Lois and Clark Trail out here in Washington State. Come with me. What do we have here now? Nothing out here but myself. Me and the old faithful truck. Back at Wingstop, 10-piece lemon pepper, 10-piece original. We finna get it. Round two, Wingstop, round two. Y'all know I love the half lemon pepper, half hot, all flat. Let's go. This view real quick. Like, who lives out here? Who does this? That's crazy. Ooh, Mount Shasta. Mount Shasta. Yeah.